What would you do if the person you love the most also becomes the person who hurts you the most? Today I bring you a story that will break your heart, make you think, and most importantly, inspire you to be stronger. Welcome to my channel, Beyond Rahma. It ends with us, a story of love, pain, and strength. Lily Bloom is just like any of us, a dreamer, a fighter, a believer in love. She moves to Boston to start over, opening a flower shop and hoping for a fresh chapter. One night she meets Ryle, charming, smart, and oh, so perfect. But he has no rule on serious relationship. Yes, love doesn't follow rules, does it? Ryle and Lily fall deeply in love. He is passionate, ambitious, and makes her feel special. But then, something happens. One night, in a moment of anger, Ryle loses control. He hits her. "I didn't mean to," he says. "I won't happen again." This is where Lily faced a painful question. How do you leave someone you love? Before Ryle, there was Atlas, the boy who had nothing but a kind heart. Back in high school, Lily helped him when he was homeless. He was her first love, her safe space. Years later, Atlas walks back into her life and he sees what's happening. Atlas is a reminder of what love should be: safe, kind, and without fear. Lily's mother once stayed in an abusive marriage, but Lily refused to do the same. She makes a decision, a painful but powerful one. She leaves. "It ends with me," she tells Ryle. "No more." This is not just Lily's story. It's a story of every person who needs the courage to walk away. Sometimes loving yourself means walking away. If you are trapped in a toxic cycle, remember, you deserve better. Have you read It Ends With Us? What are your thoughts on Lily's choice? Let's talk in the comments.